And in this case, what I found in my initial work is that CART was able to predict twice as many as logistic regression. And this confirms then something that happened on the Lubbock, Inning, and Wilhelm study, that it did predict, which is a good thing. It predicted that GDP 3 years, which was a condition, and that CE bonus and CE stock, which were motivation, confirmed that study. So it wasn't that it came out with something new, it actually confirmed what was already in the literature. And that's a good thing from a peer review article point of view, that the independent variables were confirmed of something that's already been done before, but it was able to predict twice as many as the logistic regression. Let's see, what was the other? Oh, I'm trying to think of the other question I got. There is some questions I was asked. How does CART compare to, or what are my thoughts to other continuous audit type instruments, like at my friends at Case Ideal and ACL, which are continuous audit instruments. And CART is a business intelligence modeling system. It is not the same as what I call an accounting retrieval and text retrieval system. My friends at Case Ideal have set up a very specific system that is geared specifically for accounting, auditing algorithms to retrieve specific purchase order tracking from a tracing point of view and from a vouching point of view. For instance, if you enter a purchase order, it verifies three-way match. It's set up for that. It does it in a number of very good ways. It's set up for material requisition, make sure the parts are correct, that kind of stuff. It's specific to accounting and auditing. If you look at those systems, they are geared, they're addressed, they're written for an auditor, internal auditor, outside auditor to address that. CART is different. CART, I see that as part of that umbrella of business analytics that is not geared toward, if I input a purchase order, retrieve me all the material requisitions for that. That's different. I play with those systems. But CART is more of a kind of a cerebral business analytics type module that's looking at regression trees, looking at information being gathered using artificial intelligence, and then giving you that information, and then you deducing a decision from that. Kind of a different part of learning management, per se. Hope I gave you some understanding of that, because I have a lot of friends at ACL and Case who think they're into machine learning now, and it's really different for them, because you can't take ACL, put it this way to you, and put it in the pharmaceutical world. It is not, it will not, it's like taking Chinese and put it into an English class and expect the students to understand. It is geared for that, okay? So